Alright folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Andy, we got a cool one for you right now. We're over at the county fair with the truck pulls. If you like this kind of stuff, leave it in the comments. But why don't you come along with me and let's check it out.
Alright, look at that red truck fire up. He's got it rocking. He's got it down in there. And the old smoke walkie-talkie. Steering are always secondary. As long as we got throttle, we can make something happen. Yeah, I think he knows how to go hammer down on it. Let's see what he can do here, folks. Keith Witt, out of Hawk Point, Missouri. Ooh, somebody hopping, he had to stop.
At the very end.
Got the hopping on him.
Yeah, I did that. That was like the first like 5.
What Mr. Hillary say? You got 3 hops. Number 1 rule of truck pulling. About hop number 4, something bad happened.
And so like every time I drive by, I'm like, that was cool. I did that. I took page last Friday.
All right, you get 1 attempt. You got to do it again this time. This time's for the money. You got to go to 312 foot to be in the money here. Or get number 1 anyway.
So I pulled up this picture. It's just sticks.
All right, he's got to make her go this time. It's 2nd and 10. Keith Witt, come on, make some noise. Get behind him. Just couldn't get the hopping out of it. $262.14. $262.14. I thought he was really getting her kicked in there. $264.18. $264.18. Out of Troy, Missouri. He certainly didn't listen to none of that, did he? They're going to take him back here. Was there a sand drag somewhere they missed tonight? That's a situation, man. That's a situation where no wings try harder. 309.99. 309.99. Good enough for 2nd place. Well, runner down, runner out of Pony's neck. That weight does its job every time. $298.03. $298.03. I think we got 1 truck left to hook, then we're going to go work stock diesel. We gave her all she could take. with small block gas. First place going to Bill Miller, 312.84. Second place going to Lincoln Fingus, 309.99. Third place going to that truck right there, Glenn Wagner, 307.94. I tell you what, he's getting her wound up. Gonna get on top of it. Oh, look out! Tell you what, Nick, he played a trick on me. I thought the smoke was gonna come out of the hood and come out of the bed. Hey, he did play a trick. 282.48. 282.48.
Yes, the lady that pretended to be pregnant. Yes. I watched that when I was pregnant.
He thought about it.
I watched this because Zach told me to watch it. Oh. Yes,
You
Zach.
gotta take another think about it.
Okay, and I watch it and like really he's sitting there in seconds for a second.
You're gonna lean into it, Nick.
You're
You're gonna have to lean a little bit harder if we're gonna go nowhere. A little bit more.
Someone's gonna
Gonna have to get a little more mad at it. I wonder if the floor mat's in the way.
Revs it up a little bit in a second.
Must needed a different pep talk.
One of the floor mats in the way.
I think Jared Scott told me he's got to go forward.
I feel like he's announcing their dad jokes, so like that's why he's laughing.
He had her in that field hero gear. Tell you what, them bright lights might use all his horsepower. There we go. Now I got a fire. Oh yeah. Tell you what, he was making her work for it. I believe the motor was turning, but the wheels weren't there at the end. That's how I operate most days, Nick. $251.23. 251.23. Come on with it. Here we go. Quite had the front wheels to turn in there. Oh, sir. $222.86. Third truck. Third place. How about that, Rob? He's in the money. That's true. I bet this next truck's going to do a little talking on that sled, though. Yes, sir. We got that legendary color, Mr. Jeff McCord. Out of Troy, he be the next man to hood coming back with the cold-hearted. We need a pull-off on the sled, on the track. Pull-off on the track. Trying to beat that for that number one spot. He's going to build some boost and turn her loose. Mr. Jeff McCord out of Troy, Missouri. Oh, that's a pretty hook. That is a pretty hook. You got it. We are down in there. Spins her home with authority, takes first place right there. 312.21. 312.21. Got her way down in there for that first place. No doubt about it. All right, we got some people in on the last guy. That wasn't even a choice. All right, here we go. Wound up. Oh, look at him. He's got a fire lit. 310.69. All right, we got them tied on. We got a green flag. Here we go. 312 feet. I think he might have done it. I think you're right. 334.39. What a pull. Right, here we go. Go, baby. Pretty nice run that starts off here in the Grove Street. 324.66, 324.66. Way down in there. Oh, we gonna keep it. We gonna keep it. We got points on the boat. The girl 324 feet. Well, he gave it to her. First place by a foot, 325.60. 325.60. Good job, sir. Heck of a pull. 320. Tell you what, he had the horsepower, just didn't get it on the ground. $299.26. 299.26. Well, at least he got third place. He's in the money. He is in the money. Here's how we're going to place him in the Pro Street Gas. First place going to Mr. Kurt House. Mr. Kurt House at 325.6. Second place going to Adam Taylor. Midnight Montgomery, 324.66. Third place going right there to the no slack, Mr. Joe Creaston. Make some noise, folks. Good job, yes. Coming at you. Runner out of pony stick. He found it. Oh, we got a little fire coming out of it. 307.53. 307.53. $307 feet. Snuffed her out down there so they can have a nice quiet conversation. Do we need to pull off? Oh, they got the ride there. All right. $307 feet. Let's see what he's going to do. He's going to keep it. He said, let her eat. We are on the board with 307 feet. Here we go. No doubt about it. I believe that's the hook. 320. so much for hanging out with us. Please.
All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click the little logo right up here. You can subscribe for free. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks a whole bunch for watching my videos. I appreciate it.